Did you know that aloe vera can help fight countless hair issues? Because of its various healing nutrients, aloe vera is a plant species often used in various herbal medicines. Aloe vera is rich in amino acids, vitamin A, folic acid, and vitamin C. While it seems like just about everybody knows aloe vera can be used as a go-to solution for sunburn relief, who knew you could use this soothing gel for damage relief for your hair too? Aloe vera can be used in dandruff treatment and prevention. Just like aloe vera soothes dry skin from a sunburn, it can also moisturize a dry scalp, which helps to alleviate the presence of pesky flakes. Treating a flaky scalp is also a key factor in eliminating dandruff altogether. Treating dry hair can often be accompanied by undesirable oil buildup. Thankfully, aloe vera can be used as a rinse for oily hair without additional unwanted effects, like making hair dry or brittle. The rinse is easy to make and only needs 1 part aloe vera juice with 2 parts lemon juice, then can be applied to the shaft of the hair. The amino acids in aloe vera can promote strength and add shine to your hair. As a result, it helps to tame frizzy hair while still leaving your locks silky and smooth. Since aloe vera also helps lock in moisture to improve the smoothness of hair, it tends to also work well as a detangler. Aloe vera can help prevent frequent hair loss and promote hair growth. With hair loss, using aloe vera regularly will rejuvenate the hair follicles and reduce thinning. Along with hair loss prevention, aloe vera enzymes promote hair growth by helping your locks retain moisture and by clearing dead skin cells off of your scalp.